Hi there, Barbie lovers. Welcome back to Busy Bee from Germany. I'm Busy Bee from Germany, and today you asked me to do a video about the Growing Pretty Hair Francie mechanism. And here's your video. We have a closer look at the mechanism today. I promised you to show you the mechanism a little bit closer. I played around with this interesting mechanism in the last days, and I'd like to show you the mechanism from different angles. I hope you can see what it's doing. It's really an easy but sufficient great mechanism, and I hope you can see it this time clearer. Try to film this from different angles here. So, as I told you the last time, here would the ponytail part come out of the head. So here, that would be the head part here. That's missing in our case. So imagine here comes the ponytail out and goes into the head, and then I have to do it this way, this works better. We have the spring moving, and then the big wheel would move, and then the ponytail would also move out of the head. And when you have a look, this goes back. You see? That's what I felt when I used my other Growing Hair Pretty Francie. This was really something with a spring. I felt it inside, but it's very energy efficient. You have to pull a lot to get this thing really working. So from an engineer's point of view, it's a great draft because you have a very stable mechanism. The leg knobs stable this whole mechanism here. When you put it inside the body, you have a lot more stability than outside, because this frame is, this part down here is somehow flexible, but it's a lightweight construction, and when you move this thing it works, but from the body frame itself you get a lot more stability, and that's what I think is a great work of an engineer. But also it's in this little box, and that's somehow a great idea for such a little space. This is the only space they had in the body, and I think they needed several ideas how to put this whole mechanism in the body to get this great kind of result. I hope you understand it. We have the spring gets this band moving, and the band moves our ponytail here up. Even if the ponytail is missing here, but I had problems to attach something to this rest of the band. It's too short to attach anything like another band. And at first I had the idea to attach something here, but I have not found a proper idea how to attach here something. I would have to melt two things, but I have nothing to melt at home, so cannot make this thing longer and push on this side of the band here. So anyway, the band goes through the flywheel here, and as this thing moves up, and then it moves the band here and the spring there, and that's how the mechanism is constructed. Simple, but very effective when you ask me. And yes, by the way, I had this thing apart. Was curious how it works, and I had this whole thing apart. This reminds me somehow of bobby pins. At first I thought this spring would go up here and somehow over there, but that's not the case. This is just for, I think, for reasons of having something in there. Maybe they tried to construct another mechanism inside as well, and that's a leftover. I don't know. My dear viewers, do you understand the mechanism now? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious about your ideas and thoughts. I hope you understand it better now, and thank you for staying until the end of the video. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you very, very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!